Hi, welcome everybody. The purpose of this video is to count the total number of t-shirt that we have sold from the data that I've got here. This is the data range, okay, based on the color as well as the total sales value of that particular color chosen from here, depending upon the validation that we create. Okay, so let's go ahead and first copy this, because this have got duplicate values here. Let's paste this somewhere else. Okay, now we'll go ahead to the data tab and remove duplicates. Now we're left with only the unique values. Okay, so this we can use as a validation list, data validation. Okay, we'll choose list. The source should be this one. So green, blue, yellow, red, black and white. One way to go ahead and hide this whole thing is Control 1, custom, and in the general tab 3 semicolons. Now we can put in our formula here. For count, we can put it as to Countif. Okay, the range would be the whole range, and criteria would be what we have chosen here, green. Close out the bracket. That's it. 1177. Sum if. Okay, range would again be the same. Control backspace will go. Criteria is again green. Okay, and sum range is the total sales value. Close out, and let's see what we have got here. 445 9887. Let's change the format of it. Go to home tab and put in a comma formatting here and reduce the decimal size. Now we can choose another color.